Welcome to visit our factory virtually. The factory roof is fully covered with green photovoltaic panels to provide electricity. Material preparation workshop. 600 gantry press. Welding workshop. Robotic automated welding. Shipping warehouse. Finished rice mill warehouse. Precision machining workshop. Assembly workshop.